Hello, my name is Alex Flowers. I am from Birmingham, where I live in Birmingham, Alabama. And I was introduced to LeafFilter, actually referred by my mother. And she told me about the great service that they provide and how they can have my gutters repaired that were just a mess. They were an absolute mess. So I had a wonderful time. I gave them a call, and Richard came out the very same day. And well, actually, he called me back and he came out the very next day, excuse me. And he came in, he just did a wonderful job. He went around my house, gave a write-up of everything, how much it would cost, when we can have the installation done. And the rates were really good, and everything was fantastic. Richard was wonderful. He provided excellent customer service, and he gave me a very good rate, very good price. They came out, the installation went smoothly. The installers worked really fast. I didn't even know they were finished. They moved that fast. So I was very pleased at the end of the day.